Welcome to the benefits of. I love soup, but what are the health benefits? Today, let's discuss the warm and wonderful world of soup. From boosting your immunity to keeping you hydrated, soup isn't just comfort food, it's a health powerhouse. Stick around to discover why adding soup to your diet can be a game changer for your health. Did you know soup is an excellent way to stay hydrated? Because it's mostly liquid, it helps replenish your body's water levels, especially during colder months when we're less likely to drink enough water. So grab a bowl of soup and hydrate deliciously. Soup is packed with nutrients that support your immune system. Think of chicken soup loaded with garlic, ginger, or turmeric. These ingredients have anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties that help your body fight off colds and flu, perfect for when you're feeling under the weather. Soups are like a nutrient goldmine. They're often made with a variety of vegetables, legumes, and proteins, providing a full spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in just one bowl. The longer cooking process also enhances the flavor, making those nutrients even more enjoyable. Looking to manage your weight? Soups are filling and can be low in calories, especially broth-based options. The high water and fiber content keeps you full longer without overeating, making it easier to stick to your health goals. Gentle on the stomach and easy to digest, soups like clear broths or miso are perfect when your digestive system needs a break. Plus, the warmth of the soup can relax your digestive muscles, making meals feel soothing and satisfying. Here's a tip. Make your soups work for you. Add nutrient-rich ingredients like bone broth for collagen, leafy greens for chlorophyll, or spices like cayenne for a metabolism boost. The options are endless, and you can tailor your soup to fit your health goals. So, there you have it. Soup isn't just comfort food, it's a versatile and powerful way to support your overall health. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found the information enjoyable and helpful. Please remember that the content here is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant health decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thank you for watching and supporting the Benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.